plus 4.
Plus 5 met.
Awan pa ikititipad padda ka nga kasano tatatay.
Ay, gurga taalagi panda-panda.
Ayan. Partakam, tano, at atidug. Papatidug. Okay, that is sustain pedal lang kung ano yung kabita tayo. So, this is it. As requested by our bayaw from Kapatuan Isabela para kanu kayong kuwada amin dati nga sonata. Ulit ako.
Sige, intro.
Tama, nagunit tuloy. Di ka paulit ka nga paulit.
The first scene was the church, then the altar, where we claim each other with tears of joy we cry. There forever, as we walk from the church side by side. My next scene was a crowded courtroom, and like strangers we sat side by side. Judge made his decision, and no longer were we man and wife.
Salaan ka no ti makabaol. Ni Kuya Joseph.
Of that courtroom, where mermaid loves push God's laws aside. Then the court wrote a story in the record, a church, a courtroom, and then goodbye. Together we shook hands, and once again we cried that it was the end of a story, a church, a courtroom, and then
Perlisyal ta nga nakaat-atidog.